And the mercury is rising, Simon, on the thermometer for the next couple of days. Nothing Arctic in the forecast for the foreseeable future, not for the next couple of days anyway. We've got all this cloud, unfortunately. At this time of year, the warmth goes hand in hand with a lot of cloud because of these weather fronts, and it is a lot cloudier in the north today. There is a little bit of sunshine around, but it's fairly limited. It's most likely to meander through the clouds across southern and eastern parts of the UK, particularly England, I think, through the rest of the afternoon. And the temperatures are responding. They're getting into the high teens. So as Simon mentioned, it is going to be pretty mild to end October. We've got, though, further west, lots of misty low cloud and drizzle. It's quite grey and dank near the Irish Sea coasts of both England and Wales. That weather front is still close by to Scotland and to Northern Ireland. So here, too, the clouds are a little thicker. Lots of hill fog if you're travelling throughout the rest of the day, but pretty chilly. Only 8 or 9 degrees currently across the north of Scotland. It will get milder. Temperatures will rise through the night because of all these southerly winds and all this blanket of cloud. Very mild indeed overnight. Those temperatures are more akin to daytime in October than nighttime. But despite the mist, the low cloud to start tomorrow, there's a better chance of seeing some sunshine more widely, particularly again across central, southern and eastern areas, more so than today. It'll be tempered a little bit by that wind. Not a great day for hill walking. Gusty winds and gales over the Snowdonian range and up into Scotland as well. Always that weather front close by to the west. But the forecast, 18 to 21 degrees Celsius. If we get that 21, that will make it a record-breaking Halloween. The highest, or the temperature that we're looking to beat, set back in 89 and in 68, that at 20 degrees. Again, it's not exceptional. We've seen 22 degrees, believe it or not, before now in November. But it's because we've got the southwesterly winds, southerly winds, that we're keeping all the cloud, and the weather fronts keep coming through the weekend. So again, there will be some dry windows of weather. We've got that weather front with us in the south first thing Saturday, another one creeping into the west, between it that window of dry weather. Notice the temperatures are just starting to nudge down a little on Saturday. Then through Saturday night, mild again, mild and windy as that next weather system creeps its way southwards. It might take its time into Sunday afternoon to get to the south and the east, and behind it, it brightens up once again. All the time, the wind's fairly brisk as well. Showers coming to Scotland could start to turn to snow over the hills, as well as those temperatures nudge down once again. So October's certainly going to end on a very mild note indeed, but as we move into November, it does tend to taper off the temperature into the middle of next week. But thereafter, well, who knows, it might well get, once again, quite unstable with westerly winds returning, Simon.
Helen, thank you very much. Now a reminder